Alright, what's going on? We're back with another video. I'm on my way to go do something, but I decided to might as well record a POV drive for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe for me. It helps out the channel, and let's get this going. So far, I'm enjoying my car. I'm enjoying the way it is. It's not like crazy fast, but for what you could do, you could kind of build it to kind of be fast. All builds are different for the SI, so like depending on what you got, what type of mods you got. Even though it's a certain company, it could probably push less horsepower than the other company's mods. So it's always good to do some research and just go with what you like, how the sound is, and just mix and match with combinations of different mods. As you can hear, I like the way my car sounds. I'm sure you guys do. It sounds aggressive loud. It doesn't sound ricey. You know how certain exhaust makes Honda sound? This one, especially with the front pipe and down pipe, it sounds a lot different. It adds more character to the car. But yeah, right now I'm just at the light. I got a question. Do you guys be gaming? Any of you guys game? You guys only specifically watch car videos, or do you guys enjoy gameplays? Let me know in the comments. I've been enjoying doing car content, so I haven't really posted a gaming video, but if you guys do enjoy gaming videos, I could start posting again. And let me know what type of gaming content do you guys enjoy watching. Is it like horror, funny, anything? I like to mix up my content. As you can tell, my channel originated from video games. But yeah, just let me know. My bad if you guys can hear the street. The streets out here is kind of messed up. Well, some streets. Hopefully they fix them soon. This side of town is pretty busy. There's not one day you won't run into traffic over here. It's always just packed. Damn, bro, all these little cars are going fast. Going fast up in these traffic. Little Corolla behind me. The fuck was that? Bro, I hear people do not care how they drive. What's the point of doing that shit? Alright, so that's gonna be it for the video. If you guys enjoyed, go ahead and leave a like, comment, subscribe for me. It does help out the channel and shows me that you guys are enjoying it and want more content like this. But yeah, till next video, I'm out. Peace.